Hi guys, Johan Williams here from Green Riders. We are here today at our retreat venue where we had a special visit from the Department of Labour and UIF representatives to come and see what it is that they've been ploughing into the youth in terms of helping us to provide sustainable and opportunities, sustainable working opportunities for our youth of the future. It was a very exciting day where demonstrations was done. All our youth came out in hordes to showcase the UIF exactly what it is that they are investing in terms of these youth and the future possibilities that is out there for them. I've been with Green Riders myself for the past 4 years, and I can well and truly say that this is a company that looks forward and that constantly looks to the future in terms of how they can assist the youth in ensuring sustainable job opportunities, working opportunities for them into the future. We work in the last mile delivery space with these delivery bikes. We put these the learners as well as any trainers onto these ones, which helps them to get into the last mile delivery space where they can work on platforms such as Uber, Mr. D, and various others. We also ensure that there is technical support for them, on the road support. So if there's any breakdowns or any assistance needed, that we and our well knowledgeable team of technicians is always there to assist them. For those of you that are looking to join us and to also want to become a future Green Rider and join the UIF's LLP program, you are more than welcome to check out our Facebook page, Green Riders SA, where we constantly update where our following cohorts and training intakes will be happening. And then all those South African youth between the ages of 18 and 35 with a valid South African ID and who's got a lust and a willingness to work are more than welcome to come and join our program and see if this could be your potential next future. Thank you guys.